We got groundhog number 2. About the same size as the last one. He actually ate the apples a little bit. There's one missing, and there's one half eaten. At least he ate while he was in there. Digger. What's that? What's that? Get him, Digger. What's that? Watch him, Digger. Yeah. Watch him. Good boy. Good boy. Watch him. Get him, Digger. Good boy. Good boy. Get him, Digger. Watch him. Get him, Digger. Watch him, Digger. Get him, Digger. Watch him. Get him, Digger. Get him, Digger. Get him, Digger. Get him, Digger. Watch him. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Get him, Digger. Watch him, Digger. Get him, Digger. Aggressive little thing. He's bigger than the last one. Digger was doing good till Bean got involved. He's like, well, let the alpha male take care of this. Alright. Let's leave him alone. Come on. Come on, B. Let's go. You know, kind of like trying to get a Kalahua off a hog. J-Dug, Digger, and Bean out.
Hurry up.
Hunt him up. Uh-oh. Hunt him up, Digger. Get him. Hunt him up. Get him, Digger. Get him. Hunt him up. Hunt him up. Get him, Digger. Watch him, Digger. Get him. Hunt him up. Anyway. Say hi, Digger. Digger. Say hi. Oh. What are you doing? Say hi. What are you doing? Good boy.